Hey, Andrew from Ozito. Is there any better way to utilise a piece of leftover timber than turning it into something useful, like a cheese board? Let me just show you through some of the tools you'll need for this project. A circular saw, a router, a detail sander and a random orbital sander. It's a simple and easy project, so let's get stuck into it. As a simple first up, we can make it square or rectangle like this board. Now let's decide on how long you need the cheese board to be. Just grab a square and a pencil and line it up, figure out your distance and place a line on there. Let's flip the timber around to make cutting easier. Before we cut, ensure you clamp the timber to the workbench along with a square. We're then going to align our saw to the square to ensure the cut is 100% straight. Now gently push the saw through the cut. What really sets off your cheese board is adding some nice finishes. Let's grab a router and tidy up the edges of the timber. In between passes, adjust the depth of the router, and this will keep sanding to a minimum. Like most projects, it's about the finishing touches. And I prefer to use 2 sanders in this project, but you can use either or either. I'm going to start with a 120 grit and move through to a 240 and then up to a 400 grit, and that should give you the best result. So our next step is to seal the timber so no moisture can get in there, and we'll use an oil. Now I've been down to Bunnings and I've checked on the packaging. It says it's suitable for kitchen timber, including cutting boards. Now let's get into oiling. Have a look how smooth this cheese board is. It's almost as smooth as me. Check out some of the other cool videos. Now I'm going to get stuck into some of this cheese. Mwah!